Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage again. So I'm going to talk to you now about brake fluid. And if you've never replaced your brake fluid and it's over 3 years old, well, it should be done at 3 years. And I'm going to explain to you why right now. Hey everyone, Joe from Boulet's Garage. What are you looking at? No, you're not looking at maple syrup. You're looking at brake fluid samples I took out of various vehicles of different ages. And these two here, the customer didn't really know if they had ever replaced a brake fluid or not. Ended up changing their brake fluid out for them. This brake fluid here came out of a vehicle. It was a 1999. They had no clue as of whether or not the brake fluid had been done or not. In case you're wondering what new brake fluid looks like like this in this little vial. See, it's nice and clear. That's what it should be. So brake fluid is hygroscopic. Brake fluid attracts moisture over time throughout the brake fluid. It's not going to be like, oil and water where you can see them separate. It holds it throughout the brake fluid. And it's a good idea to keep brake fluid clean, free of moisture if you can. What happens with brake fluid is, it starts out when it's brand new like this, the boiling point's right around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. As you add water or moisture incorporates itself into the brake fluid, it actually lowers that boiling point down. So what you'll end up happening is, with old brake fluid, if you have a brake caliper that's dragging or brake pads that are stuck, what you're going to experience is the brake fluid will get hot and it'll actually come to a boiling point within the system. In turn, what happens here is it makes little air bubbles in the brake fluid and it causes a spongy brake pedal or brake pedal fade. So braking performance can be greatly reduced. Anyway, it's a good idea to keep the fluid clean. There may be some naysayers out there that don't believe that. That's fine. I've noticed that since in my career as an automotive technician since 1986, where we didn't used to replace brake fluid, we were replacing master cylinders, wheel cylinders, ABS solenoids would go bad. Basically, any rubber component within the system would fail prematurely. Also, I have seen brake fluid actually turn green, and what the green indicates is, in certain situations, the brake fluid attracts so much moisture. Actually, it transforms the brake fluid into more of an acidic form, and it actually eats the copper lining away from the inside of a brake line. That's not good. It's a good idea to keep it really clean. I actually have a brake fluid tester here I use. It works pretty good. Mac Tools makes this one. But anyway, I hope you like this video and it's beneficial to you. And like and subscribe, that would be great. And avoid the negative people and stick around the positive ones. Have a great night.